Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So tonight, the Sunday live eviction took place and of course, Ebuka in his usual manner welcomed us to the show. And then after a few introductory words, he went straight into the house and asked White Money what he meant when he was telling Cross after the fight that Cross had with Nini that Nini is the people's favorite. Here is the video.
That person are people's favorite, just the way you be people's favorite. When they should say to tell you that.
So White Money said that what he meant was the fact that, you know what, he just wanted Cross to apologize to Nini because the girls like him in the house and doesn't want it to be like he's fighting a lady in the house so that, you know, the other ladies don't look at the fact that, come on, are you trying to oppress a lady, right?
So I needed to apologize to her, not because of that, but because to make peace and for him to be like, you know, at peace with the women.
Ebuka then asked Pere, what's up with you and your guys' saga? You guys are not on talking terms. And Pere straight up told Ebuka that, you know what? Yes, we're not on talking terms. I mean, because of a revelation.
You haven't been talking to your guys' saga. What's going on?
A revelation, but I'm over it.
Now, you all know the fact that the revelation that Pere was talking about was the fact that Saga was telling Nini that Pere has suicidal tendencies, and of course the fact that, you know what, he was talking about he had to finger Maria and all of that. And then Ebuka carried out the first eviction for the night, and straight up he said, Cross remains standing, Saskay remains standing, and then Yousef was evicted.
Cross, remain standing, I'll get back to you. Saskay, remain standing, I'll get back to you. Yousef.
After Yousef's eviction, Ebuka went back into the house to continue his conversation, and of course he said, Angel, what's up? I saw Cross kneeling down for you, right? And he was begging and apologizing. What was that all about? And Angel was like, you know what, myself and Cross just stopped talking. He probably did something to her. And Ebuka was like, what did he do? She said she would rather not say.
So are you saying he didn't do anything, or you don't want to say what he did?
I don't want to say what he did. Yeah, exactly.
Ebuka then moved over to Cross that, come on, you were the one kneeling down. So for you to be kneeling down, you should know what you did. Cross was like, he himself doesn't know what he did, right? I mean, that Angel was just in her feelings, and of course, he likes Angel. They had a good time. And boom, the following day, right, she's giving him attitude, and she's in her feelings, and he's wondering what's the problem. And that, you know, she's a girl who's growing up, and he would rather just apologize, even though he doesn't know what he did.
Angel is a sweet lady, and sometimes she really gets in her feelings. So, and I really think she's also growing up.
And after all these conversations that Ebuka had with the housemates, he said, Emmanuel remains standing, I'll get back to you. And then Saskay was evicted.
Emmanuel, please remain standing, I'll get back to you. Saskay.
Out.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Bbnaija. Until next time I come with you very soon, it's bye for now.